So we are going to start working on Waterfall today here at the studio. So what up, Nick?
What up?
I'm excited to show you guys what this all sounds like when it comes together. Stay tuned. So, as you guys all know, we do the here at the Vibe House. We do the sweep in every song. Nick, hit him with the sweep. Sweeper. One more sweep. Give it to the people. All right, sheep sound wiggle, teamwork, do it. No, do the modulation.
Wait, I don't know if it's gonna work.
Do it again, do it again. This is going in the song. Here, play it on the computer.
I wasn't recording.
No, just play it and we'll play it over it.
Okay.
Ah, take me in your waterfall. Get it, Nick. Get it, Nick. Get it, Nick. Grab. We actually want to use this. That little one, yeah, but like throw even more reverb on it and just fucking bury it. So we are comping the first verse now. For those of you guys who don't know what comping means, it pretty much means we take all the takes that we did of the verse and we pick out our favorite parts of each one to kind of build the finalized first verse. And that's what we're gonna do now. While I have my lunch, I cook this chicken and rice. Your boy cooks. All right, so basically this is what we've collected from. You want to show them all the other takes? From all these takes, you can see there's little holes and we've pulled things from each one. And this is what we have so far. You don't even realize I'm enamored by your smile. And when I look into your eyes, it reminds me how I'm falling. Day 2 in the studio. Oh, Nickerish.
Yes, sir.
It's time to track some vocals. Wow, we're here. Now we're in the studio booth. Yay.
Maybe just set this here. That's what I did a minute ago with Kirsten. Somehow. It's
So we're writing the second verse now. And this is what I have sewed out. So far, I feel every part of you while your current takes me in. Nothing can compare to you. I just know that I am falling more deep, falling far more deep in love with you. I feel every part of you, emo edition, while your current takes me on. So I just had a really great idea. I'm gonna take a voice note from Camila and use it in the song Waterfall. Listen to the voice note.
Oh yeah, Mo. I just wanted to say that I love you. I tried to call, but you didn't answer. I love you, Amo. I hope everything's going well there, okay? Beijos.
Of course, we're gonna throw a radio effect in it. Nick just brought in that plug-in right there. And this is how it sounds.
Oh yeah, Mo. I just wanted to say that I love you. Hope everything's going well there, okay? I love you, Amo. Beijos.
Sick. Yeah.
No, at the beginning, is the filter supposed to be open like that?
No.
You need some help with that?
No, we're doing the making of video. So I'm just pretending like I'm walking back into the studio. Day 3. Making of the waterfall. Another studio session. I think we maybe have like one or two more and the song's gonna be done. Studio A.
I thought there was a fan broken or something.
So we are tracking second verse today and the rest of the song. I have a question. I can see you pretty clearly.
Take a little video or picture.
No.
Aggressively back.
I feel every part of you. Nope. I feel every part of you. I feel every part of you.
It's the same one again.
I feel every part of you.
I feel every kind of has some nice tone going on. I don't know if it'll comp nice with the others, but the rest of it I don't really like. Same one again.
I feel every part of you.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Nice,
Let's throw the I feel every part
as an option
up there, and then of you is with that ending of the like that.
of the first.
Yeah. Here is I'm gonna take my Armani Emporio glasses cleaner rag. Clean my glasses.
Sounds amazing.
We just finished layering the last end of the vocals. Do you want to play that back for them, Nick? So, day 4. I think this might be the last session of Waterfall. What up, Biznitch?
Yeah, someone's knocking.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm coming, motherfucker.
Okay, I think I should stop mixing now.
When I was listening to the song in the studio, in the gym on my JBL, the bass sounded like really overwhelming still.
Yeah, bass is one of the hardest things about this genre.
To knock down, to lock in.
Yeah, like the kick, the low end in general, like the kick in bass, if that's a bass guitar, in this case bass synth. those have to be like perfect tone and perfect with each other, like in sync, both tonally, but also the way that they are, the songwriting, and when they come in and when they compete with each other.
Gotcha.
And that also all has to be like super tight, powerful, but also not overwhelming.
I want to add some ad libs and then record this, like during the bridge. Let's see how tall. See how tall Brandon is.
You want that? Oh, nice. Did I sing like?
Yeah. I wanna feel your love.
Bitch, motherfucker, bitch, motherfucker, bitch, 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 motherfucker, bitch, motherfucker, bitch, bitch, motherfucker. Now I'm wondering if I should do it like a poetry. And I knew she was the one because when I imagined a life without her, and it wasn't as colorful, and it didn't feel as complete, you know?
That one, I don't think so.